Let's do a tour of some Wallace fountains, but not normal ones. Oh no! This is a typical Wallace fountain of the small model, but this one is very rare. Do you know why? Now this one is a small model, and as you can see on the side, you have this and this. Can you see the difference? And this is one of only two of a column type which doesn't have the ladies, just has columns. Not half as sexy. And here's another one. In fact, it's the other one. There are two, you know, with its columns, not its ladies, but still looking good. And I have one more Wallace fountain that's even rarer than this one. Let's go. Good. And here's the other one, the only wall-mounted Wallace fountain in Paris, and quite beautiful it is too, and working. Thirsty? And this one isn't rare. It's one with a dragon, it's got a shell, it's got the famous ladies. There they are, 4 of them. They're all slightly different. Thank you, ladies. If you want to know where they all are, join the masterclass. ParisSetMeFree.com/master.